everybody, Monica here. Happy Tuesday! I'm so excited that today is Tuesday because that means it's Tinker Time. Tinker Time is our chance to practice being engineers. And engineers solve problems. Today we're going to have a brand new problem to work on and solve together. All we need to solve our problem today is recycled materials from around the house. Today, before we gather those recycled materials, let me tell you a little bit more about your problem. Today, your problem is to build a bowling game. Have you ever been to a bowling alley before? Have you ever seen someone bowl maybe on TV or in the movies? Bowling alleys are really fun, and your job when you're bowling is to knock down all the pins with a ball. So today, while you're gathering your recycled materials, think about what you might want to use for the pins and what you can use for the bowling ball. Alright, once you have an idea, you can go ahead and get started. Gather those recycled materials from around the house. Today, for my recycled materials, I was able to find an old can that I can use for a bowling pin, an old container, this ball, and I found some paper that I'm going to use to decorate my bowling pins. All right, engineers, now that we have those recycled materials gathered, it's time to set up our bowling alley. In a traditional bowling alley, you have 10 bowling pins set up at the end of your bowling lane. And at the beginning of your bowling lane, you have a starting line that you can't cross when you throw the ball down the bowling lane to crash into those pins. So look for a good spot that you can use to set up your very own bowling lane. This is my bowling alley. I set up my pins at the end of the bowling lane. They're nice and spaced out, just like a real bowling alley. When you're bowling, your goal is to knock down as many pins as you can. I'm gonna test out my bowling alley with my ball. Are you guys ready? Let's see what happens. Woohoo! I got 4 out of 5 pins. That is pretty good. I hope you have a great time bowling with your very own pins and bowling ball today. In a traditional game of bowling, you play 10 rounds. They're also called frames, and you see who has the highest score at the end, or who knocked down the most pins. I would love to see the awesome bowling alleys that you create today. You can share them on the museum's Facebook or Instagram. And if you're looking for more fun activities to try at home, you can check out the museum's website, sdcdm.org. See everybody next week. Bye!